Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Guntersville local and long-distance movers near me. There are plenty of options when you need a cheap Guntersville moving company. However, not all options are as dependable as 3 Movers. When you schedule a move with us, you get everything you need to make moving easy. Our team works with all kinds of clients, including veterans, renters, homeowners, business owners, and students. We help you relocate states away when it's necessary by offering the following options. Packing services. When you need to complete the packing and unpacking process, you can trust us to do it for you. This will save you plenty of time. Moving supplies. Maybe you prefer to do the packing yourself. If so, we supply all the right moving materials and supplies for your needs. An on-time move. Our movers make sure not to delay your move by showing up at the scheduled time on moving day. Upfront pricing. We offer an upfront moving estimate with transparent pricing you can trust. Licensed and insured. Your belongings are certainly safe when you choose to move with us. If it's time to relocate to a new city or town, you're probably overwhelmed. By hiring us to do the moving for you, some of that stress will melt away. We might not be able to help you get used to your new city, but we can certainly help you get there sooner and easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Guntersville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.